Python strings cannot be changed. They are immutable. Therefore, assigning to an index position in the string results in an error. In this example, we try to change the first character of the Python string from inside the word variable that has an index 0, but we got this type error because you cannot do that. str object doesn't support item assignment. Also, in the other example that follows, we try to change the letters that follow the index 2, but this is also error because Python doesn't support that, which is the same idea as the previous example. If you need a different string, you have to create a new one. Here we have two examples. The first example is to create an entirely new string using the word string that we created earlier, which is that we added the letter J to all the characters from the word characters that followed the index 1, and the result become what you can see here, word Jython instead of Python. And the example that follows is the same idea. The characters that pre-index 2 plus a new string, which is PyString, and the result become what you can see here, word PyPy. You can simply use the len built-in function in Python to get the length of any string or the number of characters contained within this string. So let's use this function to see that. Here we have a variable called s, and it has a value of this super Python. And then we use the function len, and we put inside the brackets the name of the variable that contains the string, which is the s variable in this case, and we got this result is the number 11, which is about how many characters are inside this Python string here, or you can say this is the length of the super Python. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and understood it very well. If you need any help, don't hesitate to ask me questions and I'll answer you as soon as possible. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.